May regalo sa akin. May regalo sa akin.
Guys, Kabayan is making content, so I will prank to him. Actually, I bought already iPhone 13 Pro Max, but I will put old mobile inside. So I will prank him, my brother. So let's see what his reaction. So actually the mobile is inside, so later on I will give, but this inside is the old mobile. So let's see what his reaction. Okay, I will give now. Hello my bro, how are you?
So what's up guys? So ayun na nga, hello my lovely bro. Parang may regalo sa akin si Kulot. Ano yung regalo mo sa akin, Kulot?
And you need the extra memory.
Wow.
And this is not new. Hindi siya...
Guys, napaka-sweet na.
Okay, I will speak English because your
kapatid ko
followers is from
my brother
India,
are very sweet.
So this is not new one. This is the
Okay.
old iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is 1000 GB. So because you are doing vlog and you know always
Thank you.
Your memory is full, not your memory.
O sa sige,
Your
para
mobile
surprise,
is always
bubuksan ko
full.
ito pag
So I decided
nakalabas
to
ka na.
buy
Don't worry.
iPhone
At alam
13
ko kasi
Pro Max
ito,
so that
yan,
can
cellphone
upload
na yan,
more videos
iPhone
and you can restore more
13
videos.
Pro Max, 1000 GB. So marami yang ano,
Yes,
marami yang
this is my gift for you.
mailagay na
Because
video
you are
because
my
you know
very
1000 GB
supportive
it's,
brothers.
you know,
So,
more
right?
full of memory.
Hello to
Yes.
followers of Kabayan.
Salamat. This
My
is
bro.
Kulot.
Brother
I love
of
you.
Kabayan.
Thank you so much.
So this is surprise. So before you open, I will go outside, okay? Pupunta ako sa labas. So I will
So ito na nga
open.
guys, so titingnan
So,
natin kung
Later you
maganda ba
open
itong
after
video na
I
ano.
go outside, okay?
Ni-
After I'm already
Open.
outside because I have
Titingnan
some
natin.
work. So you open after.
Excited
Okay, bro,
na ako
thank
guys.
you.
Yes, iPhone 13 Pro Max. So i-unboxing natin yung video ni Utol. Ngayon kasi lumabas na siya. So titingnan natin if magugustuhan ko ba yung iPhone 13.
Emotional damage.
Guys,
Emotional damage.
why like this? It's very old mobile. Kumanda yan si Kulot sa akin. Hindi po ito. How come?
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button, so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.